This is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to demonstrate you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, you gotta make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already, then at the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, hit that install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, as you can see, the Opera was somewhat successfully downloaded. Now it is getting installed. So overall, if you do not have any pending app downloads, this process should occupy way less time. Now you can just go ahead and launch the app. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat, or you can always skip the step and configure it later. And in here you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.